Alrighty guys, well it is the next day. We are here at Blue Hole Park. You can see it behind me. I'm trying out a new phone today, new camera, so it's in like cinematic mode or something, so it's kind of looking like it's kind of blurry in the background and all that. Guys, back up or it's going to mess it up. So we're going to go down here now. We're going to check these traps, and I got high expectations. I got Hallie and Hunter with me, and we did bring towels today, so we're going to head on down here. It's super windy, so I apologize now. It may get a little muffled, so we're going to head on down here now and see what kind of fishies we got. It's colder. All right, we're gonna go. Trap number 1 is over here, if you guys remember, right? Great, it's cold.
I'm taking my shoes so I don't lose them.
Let's see.
It's as cold as I thought.
Oh my gosh, it is. Okay guys, this is so much colder than yesterday.
Way cooler.
So cold. All right, this is not gonna be good. We're gonna go out here now. You guys wanna go get the trap and bring it to the bank?
Where is it? I'll show you.
All right, go get it.
Am I gonna get all wet?
Yeah, you're gonna get all wet.
And you're
Hey,
and there's
climb
one
up on
way
that.
over there.
See that rock shelf? It's up on that shelf over there.
You see there's one way over there. Okay, that's cold.
I don't see the trap. It was right there.
I missed it.
All right, walk out there and see if you see the trap. I don't see it.
Whoa! This is where you slept, so.
Lobsters?
Big crawdad.
Well, come on.
Huge crawdad. Wow! That hurt.
All righty, guys. What do we got a bunch of fish. Oh, look at the size of that crawdad.
Yeah.
Oh, look at that one. I told y'all we'd have some lobsters in
And there's
here.
fish inside of the tuna.
Oh, there's a giant crawdad in there.
What the
A
heck?
giant crawdad. Oh my gosh. Guys, watch this. Let's see here.
Just don't get pissed.
All right, guys, check this out. Oh, see him pop open? Guys, this guy is huge. Hold this. Hold it right there. Got it?
Yep.
Can you see?
Yeah. Wow. Why is he so big?
He got in here. Look,
He ate all.
he ate all the tuna.
He's.
Oh my gosh.
Can I pick him up?
I don't care.
Where do you pick him up?
You better get him right behind the pinchers right there.
He's ginormous.
Look at the size of this thing.
Then we got this big old fish, this lump fish right here. Oh, there's something in there. So,
All right, we need to
Get all these.
get all these out. So what we're gonna do,
There's so many of
I'm gonna flip it upside down. I'm gonna untie this. Oh, there's another big one right there. And guys, this is not even the bacon trap. This was tuna.
Oh, it's crawling out.
I know it's gonna get me. Hey, look at the size of this thing.
Oh, that's huge.
Hey, where are you going?
No, you can't go anywhere. Trap him in the jar.
Look at the size of this guy.
He's huge.
He's huge.
Kind of blurry on it.
See him now?
Yeah.
All right.
Oh my god. He's the biggest crawdad I've seen. It's bigger than the one I saw yesterday. Way bigger.
All right, get those fish, bro. Throw them back.
Oh, they look weird.
size of these two things. I mean, this thing, they're huge. Look at the pinchers on those things.
Oh, we took the fish back.
Unbelievable.
Bye-bye, fish.
Yeah, throw them back.
They look like they hard. Yeah, you get the big one.
Look at this thing.
You actually picked him up. Oh, look at that. Holly, he's got a fish.
This one's trying to get me.
Well, yeah, I mean, they can't get you, but they're gonna try.
Yeah, he's like, doo doo.
All right, there's
Want me to
still,
get it down over
yeah,
there?
there's still more in here.
I got the
You
two
got them?
biggies. Oh, there's one.
I know there's two in there. There's that one and that one. Hey, I would go that way. You see where those roots are coming off that tree? Yeah, the string's tied to it over there.
I could just walk straight from here.
Yeah, go for it. Alrighty, guys, I told y'all. Look, he's trying to crawl out right now. Where are you going? Get back in there. Go, go. Crazy things. Crazy things. Crazy things. All right, well, Hallie's making her way over there. I'm making Hunter put his sliders back on. We got all the fish released back to the water. Now we're just collecting the crawdads.
Dude, I can't believe we got that big of a crawdad.
I told you, I probably should have set it right here where all those big rocks are at, but I think this will be good over there. Oh gosh, we have an escapee. We have an escapee. Come here, buddy. Gosh, his claws are so big. He could do some damage with those things, but he's not as big as that one. We're almost there now. So, Holly says Hunter sees a piece of bacon in there, not a giant crawdad, so we'll see. How many's in there? A bunch?
Like there's 5 down in here, 5 in here, 1 here, and like 5 more.
Nice. So we're gonna see what works best for these giant crawdads. I mean, look at the size of that thing. Goodness. I mean, they're huge. Dun 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 dun.
Here we go. 5 steps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6.
Oh wow, there's the mother load.
See, I told you that.
Oh my gosh. Look how many
See, I
crawdads are
told you
in
there's a
there.
look at that. Look, that's the monster.
Oh wow. Oh wow, guys. Look at the size of that thing.
And there's one fish in there. Oh, it's trying to eat them. They're fighting
literally
over.
trying to eat the fish.
They're fighting.
There's so many crawdads in here. See guys, bacon.
Bacon. When you
Bacon.
said it, yeah.
Oh wow, that thing is so big.
Is it bigger than the other one?
Ah, I don't know. It's
I'm gonna go get the other
its
one.
claws aren't as big, but I think the body is definitely bigger.
Let's go get it and so we can compare them.
My goodness. There's so many crawdads in here. I'm talking good sized crawdads too. Like every one of those is edible.
Go and bring them home and fry them.
No,
Please fry them.
You like it?
Yeah,
no,
I like them.
nope. I said everything we catch here, we'll release back. So, but now you know, right?
Now you know.
Now you know, call the doctor.
Call the doctor.
Can we stay here for a little bit?
Yeah, I got all wet. I just want
Alrighty, I'm gonna try to get all these out, but get a better look at them. But I don't. You guys can see how many's in there. I mean, there is the whole bottom of this. Let's try to count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 20 of them in there, and they're all good size ones. That sucker is huge.
There's 28 crawdads.
8 is the other one.
Bro,
Huge.
that guy is massive.
Hey, this is
Alrighty, Huntman's got the big one out. Look at it. Dude, it is gonna latch onto you. I'm gonna laugh so
he's
hard.
slipping.
set him down.
Hallie's got a couple good ones on there. He's gonna reposition, and we're gonna get this guy back in the water.
And this guy.
Although, look at that tail. That would be a good old tail to eat right there.
Okay, let's go.
All right, ready?
We're gonna try to get the big one out of this one.
I will.
No, I want to.
Okay.
Can I just throw him in there?
No, set him down in the water. All right, it's a lot easier right here, dude.
Oh, yeah, how do I get it? Go swimming over there. Release him over here.
There you go.
Why did you just flip upside down automatically?
Yeah, look at him walking. Look at him down in
If
there.
I can see him from here, that's how big he is.
I know.
Where is he?
You know, right there?
Oh, jeez. Okay, I called the big one in here.
All right.
I'll just get,
Daddy, you said?
Yep, just take it over there. The bottom's open and try to shake them out into the water. All right, I got him. Look at him. Crawdads for days. Look at him.
here's a good one.
Oh, yeah, that's a good one right there.
Ow!
Oh, jeez, these are still good.
I know.
Oh, he has a piece of bacon around his.
Yeah. Look on. It's funny they know where the water's at. They're all just. They look like a bunch of baby turtles headed back to the water.
Yeah.
Oh! That one just fell.
Okay, with bacon.
His name's Bacon.
Yeah, his name's Bacon.
His name? Oh no, it fell off of him. Now his name's Pig.
So, oh, I grabbed it by its tail. Well, hey, don't crawl on me. No!
You know what? You haven't even moved. You just want
You came a long ways from being scared yesterday, Hunter.
me?
Yeah. All right.
And we're gonna swim in
Oh,
this
what's
one.
this?
That's a shiner, but the crawdads killed it already.
There's the big
Oh,
guy.
he's
I want
with-
to do the big guy.
Ah!
Daddy, set the big guy down. No!
Ah! Ah. Let me get him.
Wow, those are ginormous.
They're huge, ain't they? I dare you to let it pinch you. Double dog dare you.
Never.
Hunter,
For how much money?
$1.
No, not for $1.
Right on the get.
No!
This little one on the get. Alrighty, guys. Well, what do you guys think of that? I definitely knew we were going to catch some, but I didn't know there were going to be that many just overnight. So, bacon definitely works better, but tuna, but tuna will in fact catch crawdads. So we're gonna get our trash picked up here, get the things picked up, and then kids have practice later today. So we're gonna get around and head out of here. But thank you guys for watching the retrieval of these traps. We'll catch back up with you guys at the homestead and finish out this video. Alrighty, guys. Well, we're out here in the pen and we're finally getting those limbs cleaned up. So I got an email back from the state today finally, and the inspector should be getting with me soon, hopefully this week. So we're getting all these limbs cleaned up and getting it ready for him to come out here and hopefully get that inspection passed. And because the guy called me today and my other fawn has hit the ground. So we really need to get this quick so we can get them over here.
Bam, right the fence. That's a heavy one. Yeah.
Nice. Alrighty, guys. Well, that's all we got on today's video. I'd like to thank you guys for joining us. What do you guys think of Blue Hole? Drop in the comments. Let us know. It's a pretty amazing place to go, especially when it's super hot outside. It feels amazing. And we got some good news. The inspector called me, and he's going to be here early next week. So, yeah, the deer pen should be inspected, good to go next week. And then, yeah, I'll be ready for Hazel. So thank you guys for joining us on today's video. Thanks for watching. Until next time, God bless.